Meal prep magic: 6 high-protein snacks you can make in an air fryer. Are you tired of bland snacks that leave you hungry minutes later? High-protein snacks are the solution. They keep you full longer, support muscle recovery, and fuel your energy levels. The best part? Using your air fryer makes meal prep unbelievably quick and easy. In this video, we're diving into 6 mouth-watering, protein-packed snacks you can prepare in your air fryer. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, on-the-go parents, or anyone who loves tasty, healthy munchies. Let's make snacking smarter and delicious. First up, meet your new crunchy companion, seasoned chickpeas. Packed with plant-based protein and fiber, these are perfect for guilt-free snacking. Simply toss canned, drained chickpeas in olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 15 minutes, shaking halfway. Enjoy crispy bites without the deep fryer. They're great for work breaks or late-night cravings. Prep a large batch and store in an airtight container for the week. Nothing beats juicy chicken skewers loaded with flavor. These are a high-protein, low-carb snack you can add to salads or dip into tzatziki sauce. Marinate bite-sized chicken breast pieces with lemon juice, yogurt, garlic, and spices like cumin and paprika. Thread onto skewers and air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 12-15 minutes. Make several skewers at once to simplify your weekly meal prep. These are perfect for fitness-focused meal plans. If you're looking for a vegetarian option, air-fried tofu bites are a must-try. High in protein and versatile, they pair well with dips and sauces. Drain and press your tofu, then cut into cubes. Season with soy sauce, sesame oil, and a sprinkle of cornstarch for crispiness. Air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 12 minutes, flipping halfway. These bite-sized snacks are crispy on the outside, tender inside, and endlessly customizable with your favorite seasonings. Egg bites aren't just for breakfast, they're also the ultimate portable snack. Packed with protein, they're easy to grab and go. In a bowl, whisk eggs, chopped veggies, shredded cheese, and cooked turkey or chicken sausage. Pour the mixture into silicone muffin molds and air fry at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, for 10-12 minutes. Make a batch over the weekend, refrigerate, and your snacks are ready to enjoy all week long. Quick, healthy, and delicious. Boost your omega-3 intake with these delicious salmon patties. They're a protein and flavor powerhouse you'll love. Mix canned salmon with a beaten egg, breadcrumbs, green onions, and your favorite seasonings. Form patties and spritz lightly with oil. Air fry at 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 8-10 minutes, flipping at the halfway point. Serve them on their own or with a dollop of Greek yogurt as a high-protein snack that satisfies cravings fast. Craving something with a sweet and spicy kick? These air-fried almonds are perfect for a quick pick-me-up. Toss raw almonds in a mixture of chili powder, cinnamon, honey, and a drizzle of olive oil. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 6-8 minutes, shaking halfway for even roasting. Store in small containers for an easy, on-the-go snack that's packed with protein and healthy fats. Here's the key to stress-free snack prep. Batch cooking is your best friend. Dedicate an hour during the weekend to prepare multiple recipes. Label and portion everything into containers for grab-and-go convenience. The air fryer's versatility and speed make prepping 6 snacks as simple as ever. Keep your fridge stocked with healthy options all week. Ready to take your meal prep game to the next level? Start prepping these 6 high-protein air fryer snacks today. Like, comment, and subscribe to get more easy-to-follow meal prep guides and healthy eating tips right at your fingertips. Don't forget to share your favorite recipe from the video below and tag us in your pics. Let's make healthy snacking easy and fun.